music. Let's do it once more. If you're feeling any pain in your body right now, focus on that part and keep repeating this. Even though I'm feeling this pain right now, I still love and accept myself the way I am. Take a deep breath. Now say it again. Even though I'm having this problem, this pain in my body, I still love and accept myself the way I am. Take a deep breath. Now tap here in between your eyebrows and say, all the stress I'm feeling related to my health issues, I choose to release. All the frustration I am feeling for these health issues or this pain, I choose to release. All the blaming I am blaming myself, my situation or other people which may cause this pain, I choose to release. All the frustration I am feeling by thinking that why it is not getting healed, I choose to release. I choose to feel comfortable with this problem. If 90% of the time my body can work perfectly fine, and if I can be comfortable with this situation, I can be comfortable with this pain, with this problem. I am comfortable with this problem right now. I love my body with or without this pain. Thank you so much, universe, for creating this amazing body for me this time. I love myself the way I am right now. Tap in fingers and say, this pain, if it is causing any health issues further, or for whatever reasons I am having the health issues, consciously or unconsciously, I choose to release. If this pain is causing related to for any reason of my relationship, I choose to release. If this pain or health issues is due to stress of my career, I choose to release. If this health issue or pain is anything related to my money situation, I choose to release that stress too. I choose to feel happy and satisfied even when I have this pain and even when I have this health issue. Because my life is balanced with or without problem, and I am comfortable of having this pain or health issues. Take a deep breath. Now just close your eyes for some time and feel the gratitude in your heart. It's the feeling which will heal that pain. Feel how this body part is helping you from the day you were born. Every moment, 24/7, it is continuously helping you. So feel the gratitude towards it. And say, as if this part of your body is your child. And like when your child gets sick, you feel more love towards that child. So feel more love towards that body part and say, I am here with you. And you can heal yourself and feel like a white light energy is coming from universe and just entering that part of your body. And each part of your body is getting healed. And visualize that it's completely healed now. And you are so happy, you are informing all of us. And we are celebrating Maybe you are cutting a cake also, because these celebrations matters. So take a deep breath and now slowly open your eyes. And now you can rub your palm, yes, and put all the healing energy in that part of your body. Or if you don't have any problem, you can spread over all part of your body. Now, Amrita, check how much it is right now.